I know a lot of builders are just sort of throwing rates at pathways and driveways per square meter. Some can say $110 a square meter, some might say $150 a square meter. But saying things like that or doing estimating in that way leaves you open to mistakes. It leaves you open to going, oh, I've actually lost money on this job because I sort of threw a rate at it thinking it would be enough. So what we've done is we've actually built recipes and calculators within Wunderbuild to say, no, this is exactly what you need for this driveway. This is exactly what you need for this pathway. And this is what it will cost you if you were to do it. So I'm just going to jump into Wunderbuild and show you. So in here, I've just got a simple 2-story house where I'm going to throw back to the site plans. We're going to go down, so this is the takeoff tab in Wunderbuild. We're going to go down to obviously driveways and pathways. We can say exposed ag concrete slab 100 mil thick. I can say, well, I want this basically to the front of this house, out to the curb, like this, exactly like that. And that's going to auto calculate everything needed and everything involved in that exposed ag slab. I might also turn around and say, well, I want a smooth finish slab for my pathways up the side of the house. I can do this maybe on the floor plans. I'm going to say I want it up the side here, all the way down here, like this. I might even say that I want to infill this little area here in the same, just like that. Probably another great example would be up this side. We can see that there's a door coming out from this laundry. I'm going to say there's probably going to be a clothesline in there, so we can add some concrete slab area in here too. So that's both calculating exposed ag for the front and then the smooth finish concrete here, so that grey. And we've got cutout curb for driveway. So we might say, yeah, we do want to cut out the curb. Cut out any pathways for the driveway. So if you've got the pathways going through, so there's pedestrian pathways, you might want to cut them out. And then we've got extra over for any steps. So if you're doing steps, stepping up into maybe the front door or stepping out into the back. So now where it's really doing the heavy lifting is if we go into costings, actually scroll down into driveways and pathways, we can see this is automatically calculating. If I go edit, I can see exposed ag concrete 47.4 square meters. We've got supply and install smooth finish. And if you open this up, you can actually see everything involved in here. So we can see for the exposed ag, we've got concrete labor, concrete supply, reinforcement steel, and we've got machine hire, all calculating automatically in that takeoff. And it goes exactly the same here for the driveway, for the smooth finish, pathways as well. So if we open this up, you can see all of those products in there too. And then we can see concrete cutting in there, cutting out the curb, and that's all calculating. And that's your entire slab for your driveway and your pathways automatically calculated for you. You don't have to wait for that quote now, or you don't have to guess what needs to actually be included in that. You know this is up to date. You know by using this as well, we maintain the prices in the background, so this is going to automatically update and keep up to date based on current pricing too. Hope this helps. Take a look at our videos about our templates and feel free to reach out if you've got any questions. Thanks guys.